Hi, if you're trying to connect your Xbox One controller by pressing the sync button on your console and then on your controller, but if for some reason does not want to connect at all and instead just leaves you with a blinking light on the controller, here are a few things to try that will hopefully get your controller back online again. First, usually this issue, at least in my experience, is caused by some kind of hiccup to the hibernation state of the console in the energy saving mode. In most cases, it seems that this is also fixed by simply completely turning off the console and then powering it back on. To do this, just push and hold the power button on your console for about 10 seconds and then let go of it. To be extra sure the console is completely cut off from power, I also usually recommend unplugging the power cord for about 10 seconds or so. Then plug it back in and power the console back up. Hopefully that did it. If not, the next thing to try is to use a normal micro USB cable to see if the console responds to the controller being plugged in physically. Here, just connect one end of the cable to a USB port on your Xbox One console and the other end to your controller. Power the controller on and hopefully it will be picked up by the console. Then unplug the controller and with a little luck it'll stay connected. If though it drops its connection as soon as you unplug it, or if you happen to already have one controller that is already connected to the console, you can either use this controller or the one connected via the USB cable to initiate a connection of a wireless controller via the system menus. Here, push the Xbox button on the controller connected via USB cable or the other wireless controller that is already connected, and then go all the way to the right and select Settings. In here, pick Devices and Connections, followed by Controllers and Headset. After a little bit of loading time, push the right trigger to go to the Connect Device screen. Here, push A on Connected Device and then select Xbox Wireless Controller. And then push and hold the sync button for a short while and hope for the best. Alright, hopefully some of those tricks did it. Also though, if you don't care at all about the health of your console, I have also been reading about users that has successfully, as far as they write, gotten their controllers to work by just banging the top of their console. However, this is not something I recommend doing since it'll probably just create more problems. But yep, you do you. Alright, that's about that. Please share any thoughts or questions in the comments below and I'll do my best to help with what I can. Thank you for watching. Bye.